The following clip is from a previously recorded episode of the Cherish Each Moment podcast. One thing I really love about social media is coming across celebrities or famous athletes who either enjoy or can at least appreciate lawn care. One of the most notable athletes that I'm aware of is Mark Leishman. He's a pro golfer from Australia. That guy's a legend. He has a little backyard golf course that he maintains, and it looks absolutely fantastic. I really enjoy following him on social media. So shout out to Mark. Keep doing what you do. The latest addition to this lineup is Gronk. Rob Gronkowski, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, was recently asked after a game about what real job he would get if he wasn't playing football. He responded, and this is a quote, he responded, "I used to cut the lawn growing up, and then I was just walking over here and I saw all the people that take care of our lawn. I'm like, man, that's cool. I've always wanted to do that. You know, the finished product after you mow the lawn." He's absolutely right. The finished product, that fresh cut lawn, the sight, the smell, the feel of it, that's what it's all about. That's how you cherish a moment. So clearly, Gronk gets it. I like that. There's just something about it. When you actually take some time to appreciate how good the lawn looks after it's been freshly mowed, or if you just lay down on it. I love the smell of grass clippings. I've got a candle up here behind me. That's fresh cut grass. It smells great. And, you know, you can get into even more details like lawn stripes and how to do that. And there's just so much to appreciate. And I'm sure I could ramble on and on and on about this, but I just wanted to highlight Rob Gronkowski and say that I appreciate him saying that. And as someone who's very involved in lawn care and in the online lawn community, thanks to him for mentioning that and appreciating that. That goes a long way. Put a smile on my face, that's for sure.